Actress Nora Fatehi recently got summoned by the Department of Enforcement Directorate in the multi-crore extortion case led by conman Sukesh Chandrasekhar. On behalf of the actress, her spokesperson has now issued a statement saying that Nora is the victim in the case and she is giving her full cooperation to the ED officials investigating the matter. The statement reads, and I quote, "On behalf of Nora Fatehi, we would like to clarify the various conjectures floating around amongst the media. Nora Fatehi has been the victim around the case and being a witness, she is cooperating and helping the officers in the investigation." Her spokesperson further clarified that Nora has no direct or personal connection with the extortion racket and was summoned only to help the officials in the investigation. The statement says, and I quote, "We would like to make it very clear that she has not been a part of any money laundering activity. She does not know or have any personal connection with the accused and has been called by the ED to strictly help with the investigation." While urging everyone not to speculate anything, the statement concluded with, and I quote, "We would like to request our fellow friends in the media to refrain from slandering her name and making any statements before any official information is released." Notably, after getting summoned, Nora showed up at the ED office in Delhi on 14th of October. Along with her, actress Jacqueline Fernandez also got summoned in the case. However, she skipped the summons citing personal reasons. Earlier, also in the month of August, Jacqueline was called in for questioning where ED officials recorded her statement for 5 hours. According to a report, Jacqueline was questioned as a witness and was a victim of the said racket. Talking about the case, Sukesh Chandrasekhar ran an extortion racket from inside the jail and extorted 200 crore rupees from a businessman. ED has stated that celebs from the Bollywood industry are also active participants in this case.